Today I'm going to show you how to edit your Shopify checkout page. Your Shopify checkout pages aren't automatically detected by Weglot, as these pages are hosted by Shopify themselves, so your translations will be handled on their side. However, at Weglot, we have ensured your Shopify checkout can be automatically translated thanks to a mechanism we manage. So let's take a look at how to manage and edit these translations. To do that, go to your online store and themes. Click Actions, Edit Languages. Select here Change Theme Language, and I'm going to select French because that's the store language. Click Save. Note, if the language you want to edit is not present in the list, you'll have to go to your Shopify dashboard, Apps, Weglot, and make sure you've actually added the language through your Weglot app. Next, click here and Checkout and System, and here you'll find all your translations of your checkout. You can use the search bar to find a specific translation, and then just simply make a change within the box here. Click Save, and that will make an update on your checkout page. Now don't forget to always change the theme language back to your original language to ensure you don't have any problems. If you need any additional help, please feel free to reach out to us at support@weglot.com.